What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you something that is very interesting, especially if you are doing something about trading and you would like to copy the traits of the experienced traders, then you should watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of BTCC. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, BTCC has actually drawn attention from global users, and these are actually, I wanted to let you know the things that I feel are really critical for you to know on who BTCC is. So its copy trading system, which I will show you in a bit, is actually the one that is designed to simplify the trading experience for individuals that are exploring the digital asset markets. Now, this platform structures all newer participations to observe and mirror the trading activities of the ones or of the experienced traders or the professional traders out there. Now, users can actually browse the trader profiles using the filtering tools. Now, let me show that to you right now. Okay, so here you would see you have the search trader up on the right side here, okay? And of course, you have the available traders. You would see, all right, 472 out of 500, so it is cut. So this one technical trader has more slots that you could use. Okay, so lead traders 30-day PNL is at 137%. Okay, with 37,142. That's on the plus side, guys. Look at that. Okay, win rate is at 65 and 67. And then you have Invictus, and it actually explains the reason why it is full. 600 out of 600 lead traders, 30-day PNL is at 229, actually close to 230%. And you have 30,459 on the plus side with the win rate. Now, this one right here, guys. And if you were to ask me, this is what matters if I am going to be choosing the one that I'm copying, right? So a separate topic section is also highlighting the ones that you could select. Okay, so overall ranking, you have total PNL, you have AUM, PNL percentage, you have the win rate. Okay, so it is actually filtering it out, or it's sorting it based on the one that is on top. Now, the platform supports both fixed margin and the proportional margin copy trading modes. It gives the users the flexibility in how the traders are actually mirrored within their accounts. So you would actually be able to choose from, the proportional and the fixed margin, whether which one of the two you want to actually utilize. Now, risk management tools are also integrated into the copy trading system, and one notable feature is the copy trade stop loss for traders. So copy trade stop loss for traders is also available. It allows the users to define a maximum acceptable net loss. That is, once the limit is reached, the system will automatically stop copying the selected trader, and it manages any remaining positions according to the user's chosen settings. Now, that is actually one of the good things about this one is, you could cut your losses, and of course, you could set that limit wherein you would like to exit and take the profit. So you could set that one up too. All right, so for this one, guys, they are also running a campaign. Okay, as you can see, exclusive for new copy traders. Get your first copy trade covered. This is actually a very good one because it's like an insurance, right? So during the campaign, new copy traders can receive up to 50 USDT in trading funds for coverage if they close their first copy trade and it results in a loss. So the maximum coverage is actually, or maximum coverage per user is at 50 USDT. Available spots limited to the first 1,000 users. So I would, again, strongly suggest, of course, do your own research. Check this one out. It is actually a good thing because if you are a new copy trader, you could utilize that's like an insurance. So when you incur a loss, you would still be able to recuperate that 50 USDT coverage, right? So you could also get rewards with ease, 30,000 USDT. You could begin your crypto journey here. Of course, these are the campaigns. You could register to whichever you would like. And I highly encourage that you do your own research. check this out, guys. They have a 7-day campaign, limited time that you could review. And of course, guys, BTCC also introduced a limited campaign that, you know, it is actually very, very helpful. Take advantage of that one. Again, make sure to head on over to their website. There are tons of information if you hover your mouse over more. Okay. You have the BTCC Hub, you have the news, BTCC Academy, and all that about BTCC. This is actually a good thing that you know, they are already 15 years in the business, 15 years of excellence, founded in 2011 during Bitcoin's early days. Look at that one. Security breaches 0. Okay, Bitcoin halvings witnessed already for registered users. They have 11 million. So again, take advantage of all the campaigns that they are doing. Head on over to BTCC. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.